Hi there, this is Fixed It. For a number of years I've been using this little battery cell checker, but it's not really very effective. It kind of gives you a kind of replace. It goes right down to the end of the red, then you know it's definitely dead. Might be good, questionable most of the time. So this is an unboxing of a decent proper battery tester. Now this is obviously 10 or 12 pounds more expensive than this, but it's chalk and cheese. So this one is DlyFull, interesting name, Universal Battery Tester B3. And I'll put a link in the video description where you can get it. So let's just open it up and have a look what's inside. So there's two AAA batteries, and then there's the unit itself, which is sealed in a little polythene bag. So let's just pull that tape off there. And inside it we have a little multi-language manual, operator's manual, telling you about it and the type of batteries that it tests. There's also a large description on the back of the types of batteries you can use it for, and also it says test battery capacity in percentage, 5%, 10%, 15%, etc, etc. Okay, so let's undo the back of it and take out these batteries out, which is going to be a problem for my arthritic hands, as they always are. So let me just use that screwdriver there to do it. Okay, so one AAA, make sure that's properly seated. Another AAA, make sure that's properly seated. Okay, and let's turn it over and have a look. There's a screen cover. I quite often leave them on. It just stops it getting scratched, and I leave it on until such time as the screen becomes difficult to read, then I can take it off. So there it is in the off position. So let's change it to the 1.2 volts. Does an auto setup, got a nice LCD display giving both the volts and also the ohms of the battery. Because the ohms go up as the battery dies, which increases resistance for charging. So it does 1.2, 1.45, 1.5, 1.5, 3 volts, 3 volts, 3.2, 3.7, 6, 9 and 12. So that's just about everything. The interesting thing with it is, rather than having all those strange little clips that you try and plug them into, this actually comes with a couple of leads. Now these are the leads like you get on a multimeter, but they appear to be different because they've got patterned edges and they're sprung. So perfect for sitting on the end of a battery, and you just basically press it down. Springs seem good. It's auto switched off, which is very good. This is attached on the bottom. At some stage I might change this and put a plug on the bottom, basically because I like these leads and I could use them for other things. So if I put some plugs on the bottom, I can plug them in, but that's for another day. What we'll do is we'll just give it a quick test, and one of the batteries that I've got here, which is pretty low, is a 3 volt CR battery. So change it to 3 volt CR battery and put the negative on there and touch the positive side and see what we've got. It says it's 3.15, so it's not bad. It says it's 90%. That's interesting, because I did take these out of something that was dying. Yeah, that's giving 80-90%. Interesting. Okay, so we'll give it some testing on a pile of batteries. The reason I got it is I've got a load of batteries, rechargeables and things that are in various states of being chargeable, not chargeable. And, you know, with something like this, it's no good at all, all right, for cell batteries. I've got another battery tester that's similar to this, but if I use my multimeter, of course, it doesn't have any resistance. So it doesn't drain on the battery, so it doesn't give you a true representation, whereas this beastie would appear to do so. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out the other videos. There are now over 960 to choose from. There's no eye candy, all useful videos. And don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video and you find it useful, then consider going to the description and buying me a coffee. Thanks for watching. Bye.